sir. The incoming President, Rotary Maria, incoming Secretary, Rotary Natarajan, and the guest of honor, a very eloquent criminal lawyer, advocate, Rotarian past district governor, Advocate Ashok Padmaraj, Rotarian past. I will just go through memory lane about my association with the Rotary Club, the past, the present, and the future. So my association with the Rotary Club started when I was a 11th standard student in Carmel School. He called me his favorite student. Melodious Christopher sir will be my favorite teacher in the past, in the present, and also in the future. So I was the vice president of the Interact Club of Carmel School in that year. The year was 1983. So we did a lot of community service. We helped some of these senior citizens in Tirthur near Markanda. So that was the year 1983. Then going back to the very next year, that is the most memorable association with the Rotary Club of Nagercoil. The year was 1984. So this very club, in this very auditorium, in this very hall, the Rotary Club of Nagercoil was kind enough to felicitate all the plus 2 students who scored 1000 marks and above in that particular year. There were about 85 students. The hall was very full. I was fortunate enough to be a state ranker, and this Rotary Club felicitated all of us in that particular year. I'm thankful to the Rotary Club for that kind gesture. It's about 40 years back. The story is about 40 years back. Then turning on the leaves of further association. Then I became a consultant cardiologist at the Natarajan Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. And as our guest of honor said, a lot of people from our district, when they go, they meet me. I always wanted to be a bridge between the underprivileged population, not just the privileged population of our district, also the underprivileged population. I wanted to be a bridge between them and scientific medical practice, which was not available at that particular time. Now we have much developed medical facilities in our district. I'm talking about 20 years back, 15 years back, 25 years back, when the facilities were not much here. I was actually serving as a bridge to the people here, as well as quality medical care at an affordable price. That is very, very important. So that is what I did. So for that reason, the Rotary Club of Nagercoil again gave me a certificate of excellence vocational service. That is about 20 years back. I again thank the Rotary Club for doing that. Now, coming back to the service that we do in Amrita Institute in association with the Rotary Club of Kochi. Number one, I am an electrophysiologist, so I deal with the rhythm of the heart. So we started what is called a pacemaker bank, Rotary pacemaker bank. Pacemaker is an electronic device that we implant in the body when somebody has very low heart rate suddenly becomes 10, they keep fainting, it's called fainting attack. It can even cause death. And the cost of the pacemaker is about 1.5 lakh rupees, which is not affordable by many people in the society. So the Rotary Club of Cochin, with the help of the Rotary International, they gave us some donated pacemakers from the US, and I was the medical director of the pacemaker bank in Amrita Hospital. So it is a collaborated effort between Rotary Club and Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences. We helped about 200 people over a period of 3 years by implanting pacemakers for those patients who otherwise will not have the financial affordability to have this pacemaker implanted. And even now, we have renovated the pacemaker bank. Last year, we did about 25 patients, and deserving patients who cannot afford pacemaker therapy in our hospital. That is about the pacemaker bank. Now, I will also tell a few things about the collaboration between Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences and the Rotary Club. Ongoing projects. Number one, in the last 15 years, the Rotary Club has helped Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences and poorly, not very affording patients, children with congenital heart defects. 1,000 children with complex congenital heart defects who needed surgical correction of the heart defects, who could not afford money, has been supported by the Rotary International and the Rotary Club of Cochin. I have to thank the Rotary Club, Rotary International, Rotary Club of Cochin, and also Rotary Club of Nagercoil for giving this opportunity to our hospital to serve about 1,000 deserving children.